I kid you not. Merry Christmas.
Hold up.
All right, guys. So honestly, can you imagine if I did a haul for all of this stuff? It would be like a 3-hour long haul. So the reason why I'm showing you guys all of this stuff, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Goodwill, Salvation Army, another thrift store, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, Dollar Store, Dollar General, just like, so you guys understand, I'm just showing this to you. But the majority of this shit is going back to the store because I'm doing this for video purposes to show you guys different ideas of how to do things on a budget. Now, granted, all of this is not budget, but I am definitely breaking it all down. And the reason why I'm doing it that way is to show you a bunch of different styles that you can do on a budget. So it doesn't seem like it, but yeah. And even my Christmas tree, you can see it over there right now. I only paid $15 for that tree at the Restore, Habitat Restore. But there is so much stuff in here, and I have to break it all down into about 6 or 7 different categories. However, I want you guys to know I am not rich. I am not oblivious to what's happening in the world. Trust me, I get it. Not everyone is fortunate enough to do one Christmas, let alone multiples. So, just so you understand, this is for video purposes only because I don't need it. It's overconsumption, and there are some things in here that are personal though, like some slippers, and I bought some new sweatpants and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, this stuff is going back. And the only thing I'm not taking back is, well, obviously you've seen me redo this by now. And so that I'm keeping. But that was $9.99, $10 at the thrift store. This is just a dress that I bought for fabric, and you guys should have seen that. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here that the tags are still going to be on. So if you saw the tags in the video, don't come for me. It's just so you guys know I am taking this shit back to the store. And this is not even everything, because as I look behind me, there's some things that you saw in the video that you don't see in this bunch right here, but that's because I was already playing around with the design. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have to start putting these vignettes together for you all. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and in here there's 5, 6. So I have 6 vignettes that I need to do, but I have a bunch of projects that I also need to do to pull all of this together. So I didn't want to have to do this all in the video. So that's why I decided to go ahead and do a behind the scenes video so you guys can see, like, my house is chaotic right now. Like I said, I have 6 different vignettes. They're all going to be done in this area right here. So that's why I wanted to do coffee table Christmas. Like, I don't want my whole house, festive with all kinds of stuff. That's just not my vibe. I am doing this to show you guys, give you some ideas, some inspiration. I can tell you right now that 99% of this stuff is going back to the store. So I'm going to be very meticulous about taking off tags and things like that, so that when you guys actually see the video, which you've already seen by now, the tags will be taken off and, you won't see them. Now, if there's something that I thrifted, like for instance, this thing, and then I'm also probably going to paint this, but like this, for instance, has a tag on it. When I take this tag off, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put it right where it needs to be and right where it came from, which item it came off of. This one, the tag is on the bottom, so you won't see it. I don't have to take it off. And So yeah, like I said, everything's gonna be done here. Oh guys, by the way, I had bought these two little ones off of Facebook Marketplace, probably back in like May. And then yesterday I was in a thrift store and I found this one, the tall one, for $3.99, and I swear it had to be part of the set. I think it might have been a tall one and a small one, but either way, I'm glad I have three now because I like having that staggered look. So I'm happy about that. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Like sometimes you just have to be patient because from May to November, Facebook Marketplace, thrift store, crazy. So anyway, yeah, so we're going to be redoing all of this, which you guys would have already seen, and I keep saying that. I wanted to do this behind the scenes so you can see how things kind of start out, and it is a chaotic mess in here. So all that pretty stuff you saw in the videos, you now know like what I went through to do it. It was a lot of work, so I would appreciate it if you guys can hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe if you're not, and a lot of you have been sharing my videos, so thank you. Okay, so now that this one is done, I'm going to be showing it to you. You probably won't see this part of the video unless you're watching the before. You probably won't see this part of the video unless you're watching the behind the scenes. So yes, I just got finished doing that one. As you can see, there's still mess all around. I don't want to call it mess. It's part of what I'm doing here. And so I can't keep everything neat. So that's done, but I still have two more to do. Just look at this. Like, this is the reality. This is the chaos that goes on. It is a mess. And that doesn't even go for the rest of the house, which I'm too embarrassed to show you. But once this project is done, I can get it all cleaned up. Well, I got two more, that one and that one. And when those are done, then I can clean up. But for right now, I'm gonna take some Tylenol and rest for a minute. Okay, so now I think I got it done. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up this mess because when I start filming, you can see all of this. But other than that, yeah, gotta clean up this mess and then start recording this for the video. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up from doing this winter white wonderland, and my phone kept dying, so I didn't get to record a whole bunch of the behind the scenes for that. But yeah, I'm cleaning all of this up now. Clean up this mirror and throw this away. So yeah, it's a mess for sure, but I got one more to do, and that's Silent Night. I'm gonna start this evening, but probably won't finish until tomorrow. Okay, I don't know what day it is. Day 5?
3 days later.
Okay, so I had to go to Walmart and get something all black. And there was no one in the fabric department, not to mention they didn't even have anything that I would probably want to buy. But then I also can't take it back. So I don't need this black blanket. I'm using it for the display. Hopefully you guys can get some black fabric that you can use, or you have something black that you could use. But again, yours does not have to be exactly like mine. The whole purpose is so that I can cover this entire thing, and it's pretty big. It's 40 by 40, so it's pretty big, and the fabric that I had was not covering the whole thing. So I got this, and now we can begin on Silent Night. And here it is. It's not everything because I still have one more vignette to do, but you got Ross, Marshalls, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree, Walmart, and that's the second Walmart. I already took some of it back. Hobby Lobby, and I got HomeSense and more Marshalls. But all this shit's going back. So I cut the sequin dress. I feel bad, but because it was in great condition. But I did cut it, and then I cut this belt off. I'm gonna cut this one off because I'm probably gonna use these as ribbons at some point. Maybe not for this specific display, but I could use them as ribbons for something else. So I'm saving what I can. I have this tray. It's a wood and black tray that I got from Big Lots. If you saw my office dining room makeover, you saw that I got that one for $7.99, and it's so pretty. It's big. And then here is the nativity that I painted to make it more neutral. And I'm gonna put that right there in the center. I wrap these up so I can take them outside. And I was like, oh, let me just wrap them up nice so I don't drop them. And then what do? I drop them. All right, you guys, I am now going on a return tour. And I call it that because I have so many stores to go to and so much stuff to return. So I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video because it was a lot of work. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what got into me, what possessed me. I guess I just get tired of seeing the same old shit in every Christmas video. And so I was like, let me give the people something different because y'all know me. I am going to buck the system. So, you know, if I can stick it to these big companies, I'm going to do it. You know, it is what it is. I did it for y'all. I did it for the likes and the clicks, you know. I did it for y'all. So anyway, I hope everybody's having a good holiday. I'm going to get on the road. It's dumb early, but I wanted to get an early start because I don't want to be out here fighting with these people for the holiday. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, Walmart done. Got my return. I only have one left because I did the rest of them the other day. Okay, so I'm at Dollar Tree. They just opened and I got 2 bags. Okay, so I think my next stop is Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so I hit Hobby Lobby next. Got a lot of stuff from there, so they're gonna be mad to see me coming. So I just want to make sure I bring home the message that I purchased all of these things specifically so that I can do this video. A lot of content creators do that. They buy things and take it back, but they're not going to tell you that because they want to look like they're rich, but I'm not. Okay, headed to Ross now. Time for Marshalls now. I got this one, that one, and this one, and this one, Marshalls. Okay, done with Marshalls. Now I have to move on to my next stop, which I think is probably going to be Home Goods. Yeah, so on the Home Goods we go. They not gonna want to see me coming either. Okay, Home Goods, made it to Home Goods, so I can't film walking in because my hands are gonna be full. See, I got all these bags I have to take back, so yeah. All right, let's go into Home Goods. They do not want to see me coming. Do I feel bad? No, because guess what? I made a good video for you guys, and now you can go and buy the stuff because I don't need it. Okay, got Home Goods done, and she took back my HomeSense as well. So now Burlington is my next trip. Okay, Burlington. The lines in Burlington are a hot mess, always, and worse during the holidays. TJ Maxx. I just have to do one tiny little Dollar General return, and that's it. But that's near my house. I'm in Myrtle Beach right now, South Carolina, which is close to my house as well. So yeah, I'm in North Carolina. I live in North Carolina, but Myrtle Beach is not far from where I'm at. So, all right, done with Dollar General. Time to go start editing. All gone. All gone. And don't worry about that little bag right there. That mind your business. That ain't got nothing to do with Christmas and ain't got nothing to do with you. So mind your business.
3 days later.
I found these really cute finials on Marketplace. So I'm gonna go pick those up right now. They're only $5 for 8 of them, I think it is. But yeah, I'm like not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but as you guys know, like if I see something and I know it's a good price and I know that it's gonna come in handy later on, then I'm gonna pick them up. And literally like 5 minutes from my house, $5, no brainer.
Got 6 or 8 of them.
8 of them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're so cool.
They're heavy too.
Yeah, they are. Nice. I like them. Okay, there you go. $5. Thank you.
Have a wonderful
You
day.
too. Happy holidays. Alrighty, here they are. And look at them. They're so cool and so different. Like, who has these? Nobody. And they're like heavy. Yeah, I like those. Those are different. Good job. $5.
And that is the plot twist behind it all. Smart, intentional, and some behind the scenes on how it all came together. At the end of the day, I want you to see the ideas and not feel any pressure. Use what you have, return what you don't need, and keep it simple. I hope that the actual video inspired you to try something different in your own space. And with that said, I love you. Bye!